Hello and welcome to another Acumatica demonstration. Today we're going to be taking a look at dashboard reporting tools for financial operators. Today's demonstration is led by Ewan Miller, an expert here at Rubech IT in the field of business information and digital transformation across a vast array of industries. The following footage is taken from one of our Lunch and Learn sessions, which you can get involved in if you're interested by emailing us at contactus@rubech.tech or by connecting with us on LinkedIn, which you can find in the description of this video.
Okay, let's look at the dashboard. Every single user in Acumatica can have their own dashboard, displaying metrics and KPIs that they need to keep an eye on. And you can see from this dashboard, there's scorecards along the top. Green is good, yellow, warning, red, bad. We split the screen into two. We've got accounts receivable in this half of the section and accounts payable in this half of the section. The scorecards are basically updated depending on the configuration of each scorecard. Looking at the first scorecard here, you can see we've got £8.48 million in total accounts receivable. The next scorecard is red. This is telling me that there's 2.3 million in accounts receivable, which is overdue. The great thing about these scorecards is they're real time. And I can click on the scorecard and it will take me to the transactions that make up this amount. I just click on that scorecard and that's drilled down and filtered down to all the customers that are owing me that amount of money. I can go back to my dashboard. So we've got scorecards that show us a red, amber, green status, also known as a RAG status. We also have trend scorecards, such as cash on hand. This one here is showing me that we have a balance of 185 million. In the last quarter is going up by 4.36 million, which equates to 2%, which is good. This scorecard here is showing me the cash demand in 30 days. This is how much we need to pay. Again, I can click on the scorecard and it'll tell me what balances are due in the next 30 days. To scroll down a bit more, I can see both accounts receivable aging and accounts payable aging. This shows me the balances that are due currently or within 1 to 30 days, or 31 to 60 days, or 61 to 90 days, or what's overdue over 90 days. Great thing about these legends is I can toggle them on and off. So I'm not interested in what's currently due. Maybe I want to break it down by 1 to 90 days. And I can click on this slice of this donut and it'll take me to what's due over 90 days. And it takes me straight in to the customer that is owing us money over 90 days. So I've got accounts receivable information, accounts payable information. Scroll down a bit more. I can then measure in a donut the current period expenses. And this is looking at the month to date and the current year expenses. I can show the cash position for the company. And here I've got a line chart that shows me the income versus expenses. Note when I highlight over the different months, a little pop-up tells me the information for each of the things that we're measuring. When I look back at the cash position, you note there's not a legend. The legend is in the bottom right-hand corner. If I click on the legend, it shows me what each of the items are that make up this cash position, the majority of which is the checking account. At the top of the dashboard, I've got links that takes me to other dashboards. So I'm the financial controller in this instance, and I've got an accounts receivable clerk working for me, and accounts payable clerk working for me. I can then drill into their dashboards to see what they are looking at. So let's look at the accounts receivable dashboard. You can see there's much more detail here. The accounts receivable clerk has got to make sure that invoices are being emailed out. We've got 11 customers exceeding credit limit. You can see that the cash inflow for the next 7 days is 3.9 million. This is split by the majority of it is overdue. And then we've got some cash coming in the next 7 days. They can see that accounts receivable aging by the buckets here, 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days. You can see what's overdue by salesperson. So we should give Steve Church a phone call to see if we can get in contact with the customer. And then we can see our top 10 overdue balances by customer. Again, we can click the chart to drill into the information. So let's look at Star. This drills right into the transaction, which is overdue.
Thank you for listening to this demonstration. If you're interested in learning more about how Acumatica can transform your business, or if you're interested in getting involved in our Lunch and Learns, please follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. Like I said, the links are in the description. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which you should see a link on screen for. Additionally, if you're interested in scheduling a free personalized demonstration to see how Acumatica can transform your business, send us an email at contactus@rubech.tech. Thank you and have a great day.